Hello, Trailblazers. Tor here with another exciting episode on Torrpreneur. Today, we're going to talk about a revolutionary tool that's reshaping the way we create video content, Synthesia AI. If you've ever wanted to create high-quality, engaging videos without the hassle of filming and production, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest business-boosting AI tools. Let's get started by answering the question, what is Synthesia AI? It's an AI-powered platform that allows you to create professional-grade videos using virtual avatars. And no, you won't need any camera, lighting, or studio setup to do this. Synthesia AI is rewriting the rules of video creation and making it accessible to everyone. The core of Synthesia lies in its AI technology. With advanced algorithms, the platform can generate lifelike avatars that move, gesture, and even lip-sync according to your script. All you need to do is write the script, choose an avatar, and let Synthesia do the rest. Now that you know what Synthesia AI is, let's take a closer look at how it works. The first step is to create a script. This is what your avatar will speak in the video. It's like writing a screenplay for a movie, but in this case, the stars of your movie are Synthesia's AI avatars. Once you've written your script, it's time to choose your avatar. Synthesia AI offers a diverse range of avatars to suit different brands and audiences. From casual to formal, young to old, you can find an avatar that perfectly represents your brand's voice. After you've selected your avatar, it's time for Synthesia AI to work its magic. Using advanced text-to-speech and AI animation technologies, Synthesia AI will bring your script to life. The avatar will recite your script with natural voice modulation, lip-syncing, and even contextual gestures. The process doesn't end here. You can further customize the video by changing the background, adding subtitles, or even adding multiple languages. The possibilities are endless. Finally, you can download the video and share it across various platforms. Be it for your website, social media, or a presentation, Synthesia AI helps you create videos that are versatile and engaging. One of the beautiful things about Synthesia AI is its simplicity. Even if you've never created a video before, you can start using Synthesia AI and create stunning videos in no time. Synthesia AI is built on cutting-edge AI technology that seamlessly brings together text-to-speech synthesis, natural language understanding, and video synthesis. What's more, as AI technology advances, so does Synthesia. This means we can only expect the tool to get better and more sophisticated over time. Think about it. Creating a video used to require a whole team, scriptwriters, actors, camera crew, editors. But with Synthesia AI, you can single-handedly create professional-grade videos from the comfort of your home or office. Now that's what I call a game changer. But the question is, how can you leverage this tool to scale your business? That's what we'll cover in the next section. As a business owner, you're probably thinking, that's all great, but how does it help my business? Well, let's dive into that. Video content is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's one of the most effective ways to engage your audience, share your message, and grow your brand. Here are just a few ways Synthesia AI can revolutionize your business video strategy. First, it can save you time. With traditional video production, you're looking at days or even weeks of work. With Synthesia, you can create a professional video in just minutes. Secondly, it can save you money. Think about the costs of hiring actors, renting equipment, or even paying for a studio. With Synthesia, those costs are eliminated. Thirdly, it offers unparalleled scalability. Need to create videos in different languages? Or need to quickly update your videos based on user feedback? Synthesia has you covered. But how do you use Synthesia AI for maximum impact? One word: personalization. The more you can make your audience feel like the video was created just for them, the more effective it will be. And Synthesia AI makes personalization easy. You can tailor the avatar, voice, language, and even the script to cater to your specific audience. And remember, always align your video content with your brand message and values. As we move towards a more digital, AI-driven world, tools like Synthesia AI are not just helpful. They are essential for staying ahead of the curve. Embrace the technology, experiment with it, and see how it can take your business to the next level. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Synthesia AI. This tool has the potential to revolutionize your video marketing strategy, and I can't wait to see how you'll use it. Now I've got a question for you. Would you be interested in a detailed walkthrough of how to use Synthesia AI and ChatGPT together to create the ultimate business combo? If so, subscribe, like, and comment below, and if we get enough interest, I'll make it happen. Don't forget, you're not just an entrepreneur, you're a Torrpreneur. You can harness technology like Synthesia AI to make your business dreams a reality. Until next time, stay ambitious, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay curious. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Synthesia AI. This tool has the potential to revolutionize your video marketing strategy, and I can't wait to see how you'll use it.